Welcome to PMPA's Final Cut of the Week, where we share important information you may have missed while you were making essential parts. I'm Renee Merker.
And I'm Carly Kistler-Miller, and here's what you need to know about the week ending April 8th, 2022. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, manufacturing employment rose by 38,000 in March, adding a total of over 1,000 employees in the first quarter of 2022. Employment in durable goods industries rose by 22,000, with gains of 11,000 in transportation equipment and 4,000 in electrical equipment and appliances. Since February 2020, manufacturing employment is down by just 1%. It could catch up by the end of the year if this trend continues.
The Bureau of Economic Analysis reported that the GDP in the fourth quarter of 2021 increased at an annual rate of 6.9%. In the third quarter, the rate was 2.3%. The increase in real GDP primarily reflected increases in private inventory investment, exports, PCE, and non-residential fixed investment. Non-durable goods manufacturing and durable goods manufacturing contributed 17% of that 6.9% GDP increase.
The U.S. Census Bureau reported that new orders for manufactured goods in February decreased 0.5% to $542 billion, following 9 consecutive monthly increases. This followed a 1.5% January increase. Shipments have been up 21 of the last 22 months and increased 0.6% to $541 billion. This followed a 1.4% January increase. Unfilled orders increased 0.4% to $1.2 trillion. This followed a 0.9% January increase. Our takeaway? Orders may be softening slightly, but our shops are still busy and working on a backlog.
PMPA's Speaking of Precision podcast, released last Monday, discusses the lie of national security and the tariff agreements with the EU, Japan, and Great Britain. You don't want to miss Miles Free's take on that situation. This Monday's podcast looks back on the workforce in 2012, compares it to today, and dives into the challenges that the precision machining industry faces and some critical areas to focus on as we continue to try and build our workforce. You can listen on major podcast platforms or on pmpa.org.
Now for our weekly tip. Audit certifications. Quality documentation can aid in problem solving, but only if it is complete. Read more about several key facts that can help with audit certifications at pmpa.org's Knowledge Centers or Final Cut of the Week.
And that's our take on what you need to know for the week ending April 8th, 2022. For more information and links about any of the topics discussed today, please go to pmpa.org and click on Final Cut of the Week.
Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next Friday.